breakthroughs in science and technology, innovations in business and beyond. Join us as we educate, enlighten, and entertain. This is Advancements. Inspections remain an indispensable tool of modern manufacturing and construction. Across several sectors, non-destructive testing plays an essential role in preventing equipment failures, process deviations, imperfections, and defects.
And its goal is to detect flaws so that the component, whatever it is, can function like it's designed to function. Non-destructive testing, the capability of it to detect flaws that the eye cannot see, that's the big advantage. X-rays and ultrasound that can actually see through a material and detect flaws internally. Acoustic emission is really special. It has the ability to listen to a material and listen to a flaw or a crack as it's initiating and starts to grow.
In addition to maintaining the condition and reliability of facilities and equipment, when done the right way, inspections can ensure product quality, can reduce the waste of downtime, and can drive continuous improvement.
For Southwest Gas, safety is our number one priority, and having this additional layer of subject matter expert review in a quick manner helps us in the field to be able to expedite our processes and to avoid any project delays.
At present, the limited number of available certified inspectors needed to perform critical quality safety and related inspections is creating challenges surrounding the efficiency and effectiveness of inspections.
Well, work shortages is a real problem for NDT. The average age of the NDT worker is about 50. The U.S. Bureau of Statistics says that the average United States worker is about 40. Well, that's a pretty good gap. What caused that gap was the decline of construction and manufacturing, which also has caused a problem with getting the on-the-job training experience needed by our inspectors. And so we've had to start thinking a whole new way of doing the training because the jobs aren't there. So we're looking at technology, and it looks like simulation is going to be a big asset.
Every industry that utilizes NDT can be negatively impacted by the lack of availability of level 3s. It's these level 3s that continue to advance the technology that our industry needs. And having this technology and these remote viewing increases pipeline safety, and the fact that we no longer have to rely on delays for this additional level of review. And using technology such as the satellite system helps expedite this manner, as well as computed radiography and electronic types of NDT. Take, for example, the project we're working on today. It's a $12 billion semiconductor plant that we're providing natural gas to. And in order to have safe and reliable natural gas delivered, we have to have this project completed within a timely manner. And OOGA is helping us with that at this time.
As innovations in lightweight and portable inspection devices become more readily available, access to internet via satellite-based technology is enabling the transfer of data from the remote inspection site to the experts all around the world.
When compared to the other industries, NDT is a very small group. We are looking at using the brain knowledge that is there from these guys who've been working on the field for the last 30 years. So we are trying to get them onto the platform, have them train the guys who are going into the field today. With this knowledge transfer, so to speak, is where we are trying to understand the basics of how can we make this efficient. So we're building new pathways for collaboration and training. This industry had a lot of age gap, and they need a lot of guidance in terms of what they're looking at the parts, how they're looking for it, and having somebody who's done that 10 times helps them say, hey, that's what you're looking at, and that's something to call, or no, it's really not that, it's something else.
As technology increases decision-making and defect detection, cloud computation enables remote collaboration, instantaneous access of data, and provides the necessary computation power to analyze the data in an expeditious manner.
OOGA Technologies is a web-based platform. It's secure, and it's designed for global NDT experts to collaborate and use the cloud infrastructure.
In order to have a smooth transition of the data and information, you really need this type of technology, a satellite, computed radiography, or other electronic means, and most importantly, the level 3 SME remotely reviewing this information and providing the feedback in order to evaluate and assess in a timely fashion.
Enabling a selective group or multiple parties to review issues and data, The platform allows experts to be readily accessible on a global basis to assist in the effective and efficient resolution of issues.
NDT generates lots of data files. These files can be loaded onto a cloud, and our OOGA experts can access that cloud anywhere in the planet, get the information, evaluate it, report to the customer in real time. Those that are retiring or have already retired may decide that they want to be a consultant on our platform. And with that expertise they will have the ability to fill the gap and also help us train the new workforce. And they can do it all at the comfort of their living room without ever leaving their home.
In the future, developments in technology will only continue to improve the inspection process.
As more and more industry realizes that having a robust and sound NDE process is actually, in our case, a type of incident prevention program, then the demand for these level 3s is going to far and wide exceed what we currently have. So being able to have this platform, have this remote viewing to be able to ensure that our quality product is being performed is actually paramount to a project.
I believe the other trends and impacts that will happen with NDT would be along the lines of more automation from the inspection side, grabbing a lot more information more quickly, with the higher need for remote viewers to be able to capture that data more quickly. I also think that AR and VR will be used in the future to help with the on-the-job training used to create the inspectors and help calibrate them for the inspection field.